for the lightning. Yeah, I think that's the best I can do. So now, I had a number of people lately who asked me about who asked me about career, especially juniors and especially people without jobs. So what I'm trying to do now is to show people how to find jobs. I know I do it periodically, but every time the answer slightly changes. So what I will do, I will open my LinkedIn and then we can search for something, right? Let me see. Share, Chrome tab, jobs. Okay. Let me see. Maybe even CW jobs. Well, LinkedIn is cool. Yeah. So here, because I was helping a friend from Nigeria. So she's a full stack engineer. Finished the bootcamp, but now, well, let me see. Yeah, that will be better. And that will hide. But now she's working on getting a job. So the location will be Nigeria, right? Okay. And so the idea is that I want to find her a job, but not now, in 5 years' time, okay? What does it mean? So she wants an internship, but what I would really like is to have a target in 5 years' time. So she could know which direction to go forward. So that's why I will suggest that let's take a look at how they call it, principal level jobs. So we are choosing Nigeria. We'll probably even choose Lagos actually, but well, we can be generic as well a little bit. So Nigeria, and I want. Oh, this is amazing. 800,000. And now we will be full stack. Okay. Full stack. Okay. So sorry, my allergy. So now we are going to check. We are going to check some cool position. Obviously not juniors. For example, senior. This one will do. We will. Yeah, this one, just for the sake of argument. Okay. So this position is a senior full stack engineer, EMEA, but it's available in Nigeria as well. Well, at least on LinkedIn. So what I actually want is to really look into this description and to see what can be done. Okay. So I'm looking for open source technologies in this description. And I'm looking for an open source technologies in this description. So let me see what we are looking for. So they mentioned Golang and MySQL. and JavaScript and Ember.js. That's interesting. Never heard about Ember.js. They already mentioned a few technologies here, but I'm not sure which ones of them are open source except the Golang itself. So we'll probably take a look at other. That's backend. Oh, this one's good. So it's a full stack backend heavy engineer. For some reason, they don't really mention the open source. That's not right. That's not something I would love to. Okay, but even to be honest with this one, what we can do now is to go to GitHub, okay? And on GitHub, oh, sorry, it's too hot for my machine. I will just quickly log in. Maybe it will require my mobile thing. One second, bear with me. Okay, approved. So now I can probably. So the idea is that this job mentioned Golang and it mentioned Ember.js. So I want to know what Ember.js is. Yes, GitHub. And I want to know. So there was JavaScript, there was Ember.js, and there was Go in this one. And they also mentioned MySQL, okay? So is Ember.js open source? Yeah, good. So Ember.js exists on GitHub, okay? So, and it's required from people who candidate to quite a good position, okay, to senior full stack. So, which means that you can. The plan is sorry, I didn't sleep enough. The plan is that you need to become an expert in this, not an expert as you see it, but just to start contributing. So, as a person who wants to develop into this position in 5 years' time and who wants to get an internship now, what I suggest you do, you find three technologies from three open source technologies mentioned in the job descriptions of the very best jobs, and then you follow them. Okay. Sorry, for some reason doesn't work. Yeah, it's being followed. There's some problem there. Now let's see what exactly what are the top repositories here. So this one is good. So what I suggest now is a contribution for anybody who wants to become a full stack while being in Nigeria. One of the good starting points, it will change in the future, but one of the good starting points would be to choose three best projects. In this case, for example, it could be Ember.js, right? So, and then just don't even fork it. Star is enough. Just go to the README and contributing. So read the README, write a post. What did you understand? And write a tweet about it. And then go to contributing. And your task will be to find how to join the community chat and then just ask them, how can you help? And that will help a lot. So yeah, that's the plan. And then also the next step will be that there's this really nice project. So the idea is that don't hasten for source contributions. Check with the community what do they actually need. And second thing will be there's this really nice project called First Contributions. It's good. So I'll put it in the chat, I think, if I find the chat here. This one. Okay, and it's this one. It's really good, and it teaches you how to make your first code contribution. So yeah, so that's the key point of the talk today. Talk to find 3 open source projects which are important for the companies where you want to work in 5 years time, and find the communities, find the open source communities for these projects, and just go there and ask how you can help. How can you help? And also go and start reading and writing. What is more important is writing about these tools, for example, about Ember.js, and that's it. That's how easy you can start doing it in open source, and then you'll be developing constantly with the help of community, and sky is the limit, really. And you'll always have something to discuss when, for example, you can raise a ticket for this dot to be removed, right? And you have always to have a topic to discuss when they will be hiring you, because they will be asking, what are you doing? And you'll be able to explain that you created, for example, tutorial for Ember.js. You created such and such project. You fixed such and such bug there. You are currently working on such and such functionality. So really, sky is the limit. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share today. To be honest, the plan was that one person will come and I will mentor openly, but probably something happened, and I really hope she's well. But yeah, I wish you all the very best, and have a nice Thursday. Bye.